Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, let me start by asking you something. Have you ever wondered how some websites just seem to dominate the top spots on Google, no matter what you search for? As someone who's spent years tinkering with SEO strategies, I've always been fascinated, and let's be real, a little frustrated, by the mystery of Google's ranking algorithm. But here's the thing. Recently, I stumbled across something that stopped me in my tracks. A tool called RankNinja claims to have unlocked the secrets of Google's algorithm thanks to a massive accidental data leak. Yep, you heard that right. Thousands of Google's internal documents reportedly found their way onto GitHub, and RankNinja claims to have transformed this goldmine into an AI-powered software that can skyrocket website rankings. Now, I don't know about you, but when I first heard this, I was skeptical. It sounds like the plot of a Hollywood tech thriller, doesn't it? But I had to check it out. The promise is simple but bold. RankNinja uses this leaked data to help you rank any website without hiring expensive SEO professionals, learning complicated techniques, or paying for overpriced third-party tools. The setup is as straightforward as it gets. You log in, let the software analyze Google's so-called 14,000 API leak points, and use that intel to boost your rankings. They claim it works in 3 steps: log in, reveal, and profit. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, with no need for technical skills or prior experience. And if you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, it even comes with a commercial license, so you can offer website ranking services to clients and start earning from it. What really intrigued me was their pitch about forcing Google to rank your website. It almost sounds too aggressive to be real, but the idea is that the tool simplifies Google's secret ranking parameters, giving you an inside look at what actually matters for SEO success. They also promise to eliminate the guesswork and save you from paying a fortune to agencies that don't always deliver results. The software even claims to provide a roadmap for creating better content and marketing strategies that align perfectly with Google's algorithm. And let me tell you, if you've ever struggled to figure out why your site isn't performing well, this kind of insight can be a total game changer. So, how does it actually work in practice? I decided to give it a shot. Setting up RankNinja was quick and easy. The interface is clean, and navigating the features doesn't feel overwhelming, even if you're new to SEO. Once inside, you're greeted with a dashboard that breaks down the ranking factors Google supposedly uses. You can input your website or any URL, and it generates a detailed report on what's holding it back and how to fix it. For example, the tool might highlight issues with backlinks, keyword usage, or on-page SEO elements. But what sets it apart is how it goes deeper than just surface-level analysis. It looks at hidden factors, things Google has never openly discussed, and provides actionable recommendations to improve your rankings. During my test run, I applied some of the suggestions to one of my websites. While it's still early days, I've already started seeing some positive changes in rankings. The software also helps you identify trending content ideas, which is a bonus if you're looking to drive traffic organically. Now, let's talk about who this tool is really for. If you're someone running a blog, an e-commerce site, or any kind of online business, RankNinja could be a huge time saver. It's also perfect for freelancers or agencies looking to add SEO services to their portfolio. And the fact that it doesn't require a monthly subscription is a major plus. That said, no tool is perfect, and I always encourage you to do your research before jumping in. While RankNinja offers a lot of potential, it's important to manage expectations. SEO is a complex game, and no single tool can guarantee overnight success. But as someone who spent countless hours trying to decode Google's algorithm, I can say that RankNinja feels like a powerful ally in the quest for better rankings. So, there you have it, my experience with RankNinja. If you're curious to try it out, now might be the perfect time. They're offering a special launch deal with bonuses, and there's even a 30-day money-back guarantee if it doesn't work out for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about RankNinja, or if you've used it yourself. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and happy ranking.